Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today, we're diving into the rugged yet refined 2025 Isuzu MU X LT, a powerhouse SET, a powerhouse sub built to conquer all terrains while keeping luxury and comfort a priority. The 2025 Isuzu MU X LT is redefining the SUV landscape with an impressive blend of performance, technology, and style. Built on a truck-based chassis, the MU X LT is equipped with Isuzu's renowned 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine offering 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This robust engine ensures you have plenty of power for towing, off-roading, and everyday driving with ease. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a part-time 4-age system, the LAT offers exceptional versatility, giving drivers smooth control on highways and stability when tackling rugged trail. Moving to the interior, Isuzu has elevated the LST to provide a luxurious experience while maintaining practicality. The cabin is spacious, with premium leather seats that come heated and ventilated in the front, adding extra comfort for long journeys. A modern 9-inch infotainment touchscreen is the center of the dashboard, fully equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, and a 10-speaker sound system. The exterior of the MU X LT is bold and robust, featuring a striking front grille, LED headlights, and sleek lines that give it a modern, powerful look. Isuzu's updated design enhances aerodynamics and improves visibility with LED fog lights, making the LST well-suited for various weather conditions and environments. For added convenience, it also features a power tailgate and keyless entry, ideal for busy lifestyles. In terms of fuel efficiency, Isuzu has made strides to keep the MU X LT competitive. Despite its power and size, the SUV maintains respectable fuel economy with an advanced fuel injection system and a start-stop feature ideal for conserving fuel in heavy traffic. This combination of power and efficiency makes it a top choice for both urban drivers and adventure enthusiasts who need the best of both worlds. Safety is at the forefront of the 2025 MU X LT's design, with Isuzu incorporating a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking are all included. Thank you for watching the Autoverse. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, remember to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and automotive insights.